Hi, in today's video I'm going to share some insights as to how to co-create a vision statement with your stakeholders in the most effective and efficient way. I'm going to start with a quote by Tyson Yunkaporta from his book Sand Talk, because I'm absolutely in love with this book at the moment. So he's writing, if you want to take control of your life or work towards some kind of sustainable change in the world, you need to harness the power of stories. And I couldn't agree more that storytelling is one of the most effective ways for us to convey knowledge to our stakeholders and make it lasting, like make that connection in their brains lasting. It's been used for millennia across all sorts of different cultures in order to make those facts stick that just in a table or in a visual wouldn't really kind of get stuck in people's brains as much. So storytelling is a really great one. I would even go one further and say make sure you connect your stories with some visuals. So these are some post-its I rescued from a brainstorming that we've done with stakeholders the other day. And as you can see, some of these visuals look quite basic, but let's say we've got the tree here with the deep root system, and as we used the visual, we had a really good conversation with the stakeholders about what does this mean. And it is an easy way for us to convey complex, multi-layered information in a visual that would get lost in straight language. So for example, we had a good conversation about the deep root system tapping into the different departments of the organization. So really getting the nutrients and the value out of each of the department to support the growth of a strong trunk that can withstand all sorts of weathers and will grow over time, become a really strong tree and support this massive growth, this big canopy on the top that has lots of fruit to bear for the birds and the animals around. So similar like the organization producing a strong growth and lots of production and output for the customers and the community around. So this goes very close to what the, Sand Talk is about, because it is a custom in a lot of Aborigine cultures to draw symbols into the ground that are then being discussed and inquired to the other person than words could do. The other idea I wanted to share with you when it comes to visuals is that you can combine words and images quite easily in a vision board, as I've done for this project over here, and then discuss that with your stakeholders. And I guess what the Sand Talk or the yarning is about that I find so interesting in this book is that you do get together in quite a deep structured process, and that is all based on mutual respect, deep inquiry, active listening, and knowledge production and transfer at the same time. So the outcome of the yarn is not actually necessarily known at the time that you're getting together to discuss your Sand Talk or do the yarning. And it's similar when you do a co-creation workshop with your stakeholders. You don't exactly know what's going to be on the board or what's going to come out of it, because you want to get those diverse ideas out of everybody's brain. You want to challenge each other, and those questions that are going to arise or the concerns that are going to arise in the co-creation workshop will make your vision much more resilient and your change a lot more sustainable and lasting. I hope you enjoyed this tooltip. What I forgot to say is that I often actually bring this change canvas to the co-creation workshop because it allows me to capture the plan on a page, and the vision statement area down here, that's what we've talked about today, can really benefit from visuals and storytelling and a vision board to support it. So I hope you enjoyed it. I'm going to put a link in the description below if you want to download the free template, and I'll see you in the next video. Please like and subscribe. Bye for now.